This is the euro yen, and I've used a triple bottom, which has now produced a 26.18 with a break above close above as the entry. You can see there we've come into that 61.8, and I'm just going to talk through why I'm entering in this at this particular structure level. So here on the euro yen, we've actually had a break below close below this level, but we've actually come down into this structure level as well. So not too much here on the dailies. Let's go to the 240. What I'm noticing is directional run and then sideways consolidation, potential flag setting up here. Here on the 60, we have exactly the same thing, potential flag looking like this. So in this area, we've had a indecision candle followed by a higher high, higher close. So if I drop down an additional time frame, I can then look for an entry reason. And what I need is a double or triple bottom. I then need a break above close above the structure level, and I can treat this like a 26.18 where we enter in at the 61.8 fib. And that means that I've gone a full ATR below this low. Targets can then be a retest of that trend line for the flag pattern, because look at the directional pole we've got here, and I need a minimum of a 38.2 fib to be hit. We've already had that, but if we were to come up and retest this upper structure level, let's have a look. What would be a key level of structure? Here for me would be a key level of structure, so I would be looking at the market going higher from this point. And so let me go to the 240. Yeah, I would be looking at the market coming considerably higher here. Now I don't think we're going to see it here on the 240, but if we did, we're going to see as a minimum the 12500 psychological number hit. I do think we could go a lot higher, but I want to be safe with this particular trade and be out as soon as possible. So in terms of risk then, let's just delete this off. In terms of risk, we're looking at 25 for 40. We're back for the update on this trade, and just zoom in a little bit. So this was our triple bottom just here. This was our break above close above, our pull back into the 61.8, and our targets have just been hit 3 or 4 pips before the 125 psychological number. So it is looking like price can go a little higher here, but I've taken profits there for plus 38 pips.